Death is bound to happen to everyone, it being a real and natural occurrence in life. Yet, its impact varies on peoples with diverse cultural backgrounds that generate distinct yet polarizing views. Hi, I'm Atty. Neil Anthony S. Borja, and today we will cover my Master of Laws thesis involving a multidisciplinary study on the right status, legality, and legitimacy in the Philippine context. It is entitled Wielding Thanatos' Scythe, exploring the right to have a good and dignified death in the Philippine context. With these in mind, it is only fitting to ask whether terminating one's own life to end his or her suffering is justified.